What's going on, everybody? It's Sean here, and today I'm back to give you guys a review of the upcoming Air Jordan 6 Retro DMP. These are set to drop Saturday, April 18th for a retail price of $200 or $265 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is black and metallic gold, and for those of you guys watching from Canada, this pair will be available at the Closet Inc. through an online raffle. The Closet Inc. is an independent sneaker boutique located out of Southern Ontario, and they're my go-to spot for most of my Air Jordans. So be sure to check them out, give them a follow. All their info is down below. The Air Jordan 6 DMP is part of the Defining Moments pack, which originally released back in 2006 alongside an Air Jordan 11. So while the 2020 release of these 6s is just the 6 alone, the original release back in 2006 was 2 shoes, and they were meant to commemorate each of the shoes Michael Jordan wore to begin each of his NBA three-peats. The Air Jordan 6 being the shoe that he wore en route to his very first NBA championship makes this one very special. Before we go on any further, here's a quick look at the box, and these come in a special edition box. It's done in this split fashion with black on this side and this metallic gold finish on the right. We have a black Jumpman on the top, and then the size label right here with style code CT4954007. Diving back to the shoes, so this is your classic Air Jordan 6 construction. The upper of the sneaker is constructed out of synthetic nubuck, which is what Jordan Brand calls Durabuck. Throughout the panels on both the lateral side and the medial side, we have these perforations running throughout. And as you look at the top ankle collar area, on both sides we have this piece that protrudes out, which gives it this puffy, padded look. On the back of the shoe, exactly the same as the OGs in 06, we have a black embroidered Jumpman, along with the number 23 done in gold. At the very top, we have this heel pull tab as well, which is done in black, along with the strip of the shiny metallic gold. The tongue on these Air Jordan 6s is also done in your standard neoprene, and it has this perforated finish running throughout. In the middle of the tongue, we have this diamond-shaped shroud, which partially covers the laces, and it's accented with this gold Jumpman right in the center. In terms of the laces, so these come with your standard flat black laces, and there is no secondary lace option. And at the very top, we have this lace lock, which is done in black, and we have a gold Jumpman in the center. Similar to all your Jordan 6s, the top of the tongue is done in this black rubber material, and we have this Air Jordan branding debossed at the very top. Taking out the insoles, these come with your standard black Jordan brand insoles, and we have this Jumpman and 2020 branding stamped on the heel in gold. Similar to the OGs as well, hanging off the left shoe, there's also this gold dog tag, which has a Jumpman on one side and some words on the other side that reads Air Jordan 6, June 12, 1991, defining moment, MJ's first professional championship. So the upper of these Jordan 6s sits atop this foam midsole, which is predominantly painted in black, but we have these gold accents on top of the heel and forefoot. Underneath the heel, you'll see there's this translucent bubble, and there's this cutaway which exposes the Nike airsole unit that's found within the midsole of the shoe. Turning these guys over to the bottom, so here we have your classic Jordan 6 outsole. For the most part, this is done in black colored rubber. We have this circular traction pattern running throughout, but we have these translucent pods on the forefoot and the bottom heel, which is done in a slightly bluish tint. This is finished off with a large gold Jumpman in the center. In terms of sizing, my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I'd recommend either sticking true to size or going a half size down. For me, I don't mind sticking true to size, so I got these in a size 10, but I know there's a lot of people out there that like more of a really snug fit, and they opt to go down a half size. So whatever your normal Jordan 6 size is, I'd recommend just sticking with that size, and if you haven't, if you can in any way, try on a pair of Jordan 6s to get a sense of how you like them. Next up, in terms of comfort on this shoe, so the Jordan 6, I gotta say, is probably one of the least comfortable Jordans as far as the shoes that Michael Jordan actually wore in his playing career. You really can't feel any of the airsole technology underneath your feet, and it feels very stiff and very flat. Unfortunately, the comfort on this specific pair didn't change from any of my other 6s, so they're definitely more of a lifestyle and fashion piece as opposed to something that you wear for comfortability. Last but not least, in terms of the quality on this shoe, I'd say that it's pretty solid. The upper of the sneaker is synthetic nubuck, so it's not going to be a very premium feeling material. But aside from that, the construction of this shoe was pretty decent, no significant issues that I had, and I'd say that it's pretty much your average run-of-the-mill Jordan Retro. With all that being said now, let's lace up these DMP Jordan 6s and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Whether you're someone who's been buying sneakers even back in 06, or if you're newer to the game, it doesn't really matter. The DMP 6s is a very clean looking silhouette. As far as retro plus Jordans go, this means colorways of Air Jordans that weren't OGs. I gotta say the DMP 6s are probably up there. Once upon a time, to many people this was a holy grail, so it's kind of cool that Jordan Brand is bringing this back in full family sizing for all of us to grab. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys plan on copying the DMP 6s, or is this going to be a pass for you? How do you guys feel about the look of the shoe, and how do you guys feel about the Jordan 6 in general? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Once again, these drop Saturday, April 18th, and for those of you guys watching from Canada, be sure to check out The Closet Inc. Their info is down below. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.